We're doing a themed shower in here. So that's why our ceiling is slanted there, but we're gonna have some pebble up top and then along the bottom here. And then we're gonna run this 12 by 24 on a stack pattern along the back side of the wall and along this wall here. But this is a little bit of progress. Update on the bathroom. We've got all the pepper tile laid on the main bathroom floor. All of this is on the back wall. And then the herringbone black tile. It's coming together. We're gonna have a really beautiful stone. He's also gonna put black along this special with. So it's a lot of tile work, but it's gonna be a piece of art, a masterpiece. So today is grout day. We are grouting the tile. And it really starts to come together. And we add the final touches. So that's the grouted wall. This is ungrouted. And then we pick up the ceiling. And this is ungrouted. So. Everything's so pretty. Okay, so here she is. This is after everything's been grouted. Look how gorgeous. I'm so excited. It turned out so pretty. So we're gonna have this herringbone pattern back here. It's gonna be on this main wall behind the mirrors. And then we're gonna have the stone that we picked out for the countertop. It's also a black stone. It's gonna tie together so nicely. Cannot wait for it to all come together. But so far, I'm super excited. It actually looks grayer in the video than it does in person. It's more white than gray. We were trying to stay away from any type of gray tones. So you see a lot more white in person. But yeah, it turned out so nice.